and we're away, we're off. About 172 nautical miles down to Kayakoy, I do believe. It's 20 to 12, so we set off about 11:30, which is a bit early. We've got 11 knots of wind. We're going to do a bit of tacking out of the bay first until we get out there when the wind changes direction.
Well, the wind has abandoned us, virtually. We've got, what, 7.5, maybe 8 knots of wind? And it's kind of behind us, so we've just gone goose wing. Flappy bit side by side, wing on wing, whichever way you want to describe it.
We were on anchor last night, but unfortunately this morning we realised that it's going to get stronger and stronger during the day, so we decided to come and Sailors Paradise or something restaurant. It's supposed to be quite good, so we're going to stay here tonight, have some food.
We were going to sail first thing this morning, weren't we?
We were setting off at 3 this morning, but it's just too windy. It was gusting 30 knots and it's just too windy. A bit windy.
Just a little bit. Well, we just set sail. We have left Bozukkale, which is on the sort of southwestern coast of Turkey, and we are heading down to Kayakoy. We were supposed to leave really early one morning, but the winds were so high that we thought, no, we'll just go on a pontoon and we'll stay there. So we're leaving this morning. We left at 9:30, and we've got about 95 miles to go. So, change of plan?
Yes.
Why?
Well, the sea state is a bit lumpy and it's hasn't got that much wind and it's right on the back of the boat. So we're on a run, and with it being so sloppy, we can't keep the sails out, the sails are just folding in. So unless we tack, which is going to take us forever to get there, we've decided to do a change of plan, and we're going over to Kinji.
And it'll take us probably about 7 hours to get there. We were going to do the 24-hour sail, but the sea state is just a mess.
So once again we've changed direction.
And plan.
And the plan.
We're on plan C now.
Yeah. The wind changed direction and it picked up a little bit, and I think we've got about 17 knots of wind now on a broad reach. Still got a bit of a lumpy sea, but we've just hit 8 knots. We're flying now, so we've headed now to Kalkan. And if this keeps up, we should be there for about 10:30 tonight. But that could all change, and we could actually be heading somewhere else by tea time. So stay tuned, you never know where we could end up. It's 6 AM in the morning, and as actually forecast, the storm has hit. There's no rain yet, but we've just got thunder and lightning. Due to sort of last most of the morning, I think. But it's very still out there at the moment.
So we're sailing.
Yeah, we've got good wind at the minute.
How much wind have we got?
Between 10 and 12 knots.
Cool.
Yeah, we've got 12 knots at the minute.
So where are we going again?
We're going to Coldwater Bay, which is
cold.
Kayakoy.
Yeah.
And there are cold springs that run into the sea, and it's really, really cold to swim, so we won't be doing that.
Why not? Go God.
I can't get in now, no matter how cold it is.
You're just being a wuss.
But yeah, so we, I think it's a mooring stern to with a line ashore. The guy comes and helps. So once we get settled, we're going to have a walk on land for a change. And there's some ruins, so we'll do them tomorrow. And we're going to go to the restaurant tonight, so we're going to get dressed up in our best and enjoy that.
Look forward to it. It's good.
Pretty good to me.
So we're in Coldwater Bay. The reason it's called Coldwater Bay is
Because it's cold.
because it's absolutely bloody
There's some
freezing.
cold streams coming in here.
Because they come off the mountain. So good luck. Bye then. Mind your heart. Have you had some aspirin? Yeah. Oh, how cold?
No.
You liar.
No, it's not.
I believe you. It's a beautiful bay. So we're tied stern to onto the rocks. The little man comes out to help you. There's one other yacht next to us and a trip boat just behind that with loads of people on it. And it's just beautiful.
Not quite as cold as you said it was going to be, is it?
No, I have to say it's really good. There's 1 point something knots of wind and it's absolutely baking. So we have a line ashore. And there's the little pontoon that the man lives on, or he's got a little tent there, and he comes over on his rib, tells you where to drop the anchor in quite a specific point, and then ties your line to shore for you. So it's a fabulous service. The restaurant is up on the hill, right up there, and it's really nice. A little bit expensive. If you're on holiday, that's not so bad, but for us who live here, yeah, pretty expensive. But we had a lovely meal. What a beautiful morning, and we've got the bay all to ourselves. A snake. It moves, obviously, quickly. Just walk up there a bit and see if it moves again. Nope, he's well hidden.
Well done.
That was quite big, wasn't it?
It was quite
Good
big,
3
wasn't
foot, something like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
So we're trekking up the hillside, and you can see kind of how high we've come so far. As Kejstral is the mast that you can see just in there. So we're on the pathway.
Yeah.
There's the cairn that we're following with the red marker.
And we're melting.
And it's absolutely pouring out of us. I think the humidity must be quite high.
Quite.
We're sweating like mad. We're actually more short of breath than we would anticipate walking up a hill, because we're quite used to doing that. But yeah, quite short of breath. A bit sweaty.
It's very clammy today, isn't it?
Oh, good grief.
Very humid.
Trying to get out the sun as well for a bit. To the abandoned village,
We did.
right on the top of the hillside. Can see why they abandoned the blooming place, middle of nowhere. But we shall find out more. Coldwater Bay is just over there, across the way, and we've parked in this little bay, which is lovely, absolutely beautiful, and it's just clear water, beautiful mountains, And occasionally you see a paraglider hanging over the mountain, but it's just stunning. Really pretty. And the water is really warm, it's lovely. So we've been in for a swim. That's having walked up the mountain this morning, which nearly killed us. Yeah, beautiful. So we're off again. We left Coldwater Bay this morning about 8 o'clock and we're on our way to Cash. 40 miles?
40 miles, yeah.
With very little, if not no wind.